Evening all. Just thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on. I got a London Porter, Fuller's. My last workshop was based at a Fuller's pub, so the landlord gave me a few of their bottles the other week. Just working my way through them. Anyway, I'm sat in the new workshop. I've got the wood burner going, got a drink, all's good. I hope you saw the first part of the build, had a good reception, and got another 5 parts. Then I'll have to do a tour, and then I think I'm going to do a Q&A, because a lot of people have asked a lot of questions, and I'm trying to reply in the comments, but some things you need to go into a bit more in depth, so anything that I've missed, we'll do that at the end. So what did I want to tell you? Well, a few months ago, I had an email from a production company asking if I was interested in being, I suppose the word is, a contestant on a TV show. Excuse me. That's nice. Anyway, I had lots going on at the time with, you know, packing up one workshop, moving, building another. But I thought you can't turn these opportunities down. So I said yes. And I had a great time down in Devon for a few days filming. Anyway, it's a show called Kirsties Handmade Christmas, and it's going to be out next Tuesday, 5 o'clock on Channel 4. That's Tuesday the 4th of December. So yeah, I'm going to be on TV. Obviously I've not seen it, so I have no idea how they've cut it after a day of filming, so I don't know how it's going to look. But yeah, that's exciting. So that's about it really. Yeah, stay tuned for more workshop build videos, and I'll see you all soon.